Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today video we are going to learn how the voltage of a solar panel depends on the number of cells. For example, if a 72 cell panel gives 42 volts, then how many volts will a 36 cell panel gives? Let's find out. First we know that a 72 cell solar panel produces 42 volts. So if we want to find the voltage per cell, we divide 42 volts by 72 cell. So 42 divided by 72, the answer becomes 0.583 volts per cell. Now let's calculate the voltage for a 36 cell panel. So 36 multiplied by 0.583. So the answer becomes 21 volts. That means a 36 cell solar panel gives around 21 volts. In words, the more cells a panel has, the higher its voltage. That because each cell adds around 0.6 volts to the total. That's why 36 cell panels are called 12 volt panels and 72 cell panels are called 24 volt panels in practical use. So remember, if you know the voltage and cell count of one panel, you can easily calculate the voltage of another by using this simple formula. Voltage per cell is equal to total voltage divided by number of cells. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.